Aduh. Hai, baru nak vlog hujan pula. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to cakcibor's channel. Well, my first vlog will be a very special one because for my first motor vlog I will be vlogging in English. Been wanting to do this English motor vlog challenge since last year, but luck is not on my side because I have some audio issues. So now my audio issues is fixed. So here I am, my first vlog. What better to start the 2018 vlog with English vlog challenge. This is quite a special video for me, and I hope it will be a special video for you guys too. So for 2017, I'm not going to make any recap videos. I'm not in the mood to make any recap videos. I hope you guys can hear me clearly with my current audio setup. I don't have specific topic that I plan for this English motor vlog. I'll be talking randomly, whatever comes in my mind. So yeah, luckily it's not raining here in Cheras, so I can keep vlogging until I reach home. This is my English. As long as you guys understand what I'm talking about, it's fine with me. What's my plan for 2018? Yeah, I'm planning to make more vlogs, talking vlogs, and then I will not forget all the Hey Sigadis fans. Yeah, you guys, I will not forget you guys. I will still make those kind of videos, recording all the things that happen on my way to work. Like I said, this will be a short video, and I'm still feel awkward talking to myself while riding, but I hope this will be less awkward with time. And I hope you guys like this new stuff from my channel. You guys have been requesting this kind of videos for a long time, but if you guys expecting a face reveal, you guys won't get it in the near future because I like my privacy. So I guess this is the end of my English vlog challenge. It's a short one, but expect more talking videos from me in the future. And then expect more challenge from Malaysian motovlogger. Friendly reminder to those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't just watch guys, subscribe. It means a lot to me if you guys subscribe. And then it means a lot even more if you guys share my videos to your friends or families and help my channel grow. And please also support the other motovlogger from Malaysia. They also need your support. Subscribe to them, don't forget. So this is cakcibor signing off. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Benda aku cakap tadi entah.